project.
The things that we need for this project is 5 straws, 1 balloon, 4 wooden skewers, a piece of cardboard, hot glue, tape, and 4 CDs.
Add 2 straws into one of your CDs. Now get your other end of your straw and put another CD on it. Do this to another pair. Add hot glue around the CD's hole. Put 1 wooden skewer through one of your straws. Glue another wooden skewer to the ends of the other wooden skewer. Attach the cardboard to the wooden skewers horizontally using hot glue. Attach the balloon to the straw using tape. Then stick the straw vertically on the cardboard.
Our balloon-powered car is ready!
Let's try it out to see how it works. Blow up the balloon and let it go. Are you ready, Mia?
Yeah!
Here it comes! Whoa! Whoa, that was awesome! This is our another balloon-powered car. Wow, that's so cool!
Nishi, how this balloon-powered car works?
This experiment works on Newton's third law of motion. The law is, for every action, there's an equal and opposite amount of reaction. That means if you push something forward, that object pushes back with the equal amount of force. In this experiment, the balloon squeezes out air in one direction and creates force, so that pushes the car the opposite direction.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
For more